Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Oasis network. Oasis has bounced very well by the very big support of a rising wedge pattern, as I was telling you in my previous video, and now it is again reached the resistance to break it out. And in today's video, we will analyze whether we are going to break it out or we are going to have another rejections. But before moving to the charts, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to share my previous analysis with you that I also showed you in my previous video as well, that the price line broke out a very big resistance of a big symmetrical triangle on the daily time frame. And I shared this chart for my members at the Patreon on 4th of November. And the price line, after breaking out, was moving above the resistance of this triangle. Now, I'm just going to play the chart to show you how the price line behaved after that. You can see at that time it was moving at 21.4 cents, and then it rallied up to 46.6 cents. That is more than 115% rally. Now, during this move, you can see that we have few rejections and we have another support. And this move of the price line formed another formation or pattern, and that was a rising wedge pattern. This time we have another bounce by this support. And in my last video, I was telling you that we are expecting a bounce after this breakout. We had another resistance here, and the price line was moving here. I told you that after this breakout from this resistance, we can expect that the price line can make another attempt to break out this big resistance of a rising wedge pattern. By the way, this is not this triangle. This is the different one. This was formed in the November, and this resistance price line found here at the end of December. And after breaking out, we can see that the price line has rallied well and it has reached the resistance of the rising wedge. By the way, we have two more rejections. Therefore, I'm just going to cover these candlesticks as well. So we have a slight a distance between the candlestick and the resistance, and soon we can expect that it can make a powerful attempt to break it out. And now the movement is quite squeezed, therefore it has changed from rising wedge to a bullish pennant, and now we are going towards the resistance of this bullish pennant. And if we will again take a look at the oscillator, then still on this weekly time frame, the oscillator is forming lower than previous low, and the price line is forming higher low than previous low. So there is a very big hidden bullish divergence on the weekly time frame. Therefore, I'm expecting that while this movement is squeezing, there is also a possibility is increasing for this breakout as well. And if the breakout happens, then my target for after the breakout will be same that I showed you in my previous video as well. That was approximately 78 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.